Mr. Speaker, if I move fast with this project, it was not arrogance. It was not trying to ram anything down anybody's throat. But, Mr. Speaker, as they know, and as the member from Southeast who asked the question stood up and said, they are not opposed to creating a digital society. But we are lagging behind in this regard. Mr. Speaker, we are now in a digital era, and we have fallen behind on so many of the indices that measure. And all I want to do is move the country quickly along this path. So, Mr. Speaker, I say pardon my speed, but the people of Jamaica must join the rest of the world at the cutting edge of modernity and the digital society.